apertura hacia la banda este es Isco. Isco busca el hueco, el disparo. Bueno. ¡Qué golazo de Isco Alarcón! En el día de su regreso al equipo.
Modric hasn't scored in the league. Has now. And it's a huge goal for Luka Modric and Real Madrid. His first league goal of the season is an oh so crucial one in their attempt to claw back the
Asensio! Magnificent! A sensational goal from Marco Asensio and Real Madrid in front. The 20-year-old who's returned to
the Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo turns into trouble. Brilliant footwork. Amazing goal for Cristiano Ronaldo. Vintage Ronaldo. He's the man.
Should have been there anyway. So with this man, Bale.
Oh, what a start! Sensational!
Touch of the ball. What a volley. That was a little example there when Petrao just crossed that in front of him.
Vasquez to Asensio. It's a marvellous goal from Marco Asensio. And this is turning into a wonderful
defensive shackles. Gareth Bale is having an impact on the game. Ronaldo is patient. Brilliant from Cristiano Ronaldo! 10-man Real Madrid against the odds.
Atrás, el balón para Kovacic, y atención porque puede venir la contra del Madrid. Pepe para Kovacic, cómo sale el regimiento. El balón para Benzema, salen como balas. A la izquierda Cristiano, recibe Cristiano, la pone segundo palo, puede matar, gol. Contra de Manual.
Marcelo acelera en compañía de Asensio, que se la está reclamando. Sigue Marcelo, pelota a la frontal. Kroos combina con Kovacic, le pega Kroos. Es un golazo, ¿eh? ¡Gol! Del Real Madrid en el 88.
Lucas la pone en la frontal. Isco dentro del área. Qué buena la de Isco. Sigue Isco. Golazo.
uno de los goles del año.
Sensacional lo que acaba de hacer Isco. Recibió del interior del área. ¿Cuántas camisetas Madrid? Gol de Isco.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Beautiful! Something close to genius. He's turned the tie around all by himself. Another Champions League.
Ronaldo finds a gap.
Whips it and will not be stopped.
That's the way you shoot these battles. Yeah, I can't hear you now. People is saying, Zidane says that's my boy.
Benzema wanted the one. Oh, what a wonderful sight from Casemiro! A goal from the heavens!
Cuidado que le pega.
¡Ay, mi madre, la que acaba de liar Marco Asensio! ¡Ay, mi madre, la que acaba de liar Marco Asensio! Ha recibido, no se lo ha pensado, y todo el equipo corre detrás de él.
He just slipped in behind Florenzi now. Ronaldo!
Oh!
Cristiano Ronaldo! Aided by the deflection, but it's the moment of magic that Real Madrid have been waiting for.
Hay que montar una transición defensa-ataque rapidísimamente.
¡Ojo! ¡Gol! ¡Qué maravilla! Se echa las manos a la cabeza James Rodríguez ante el gol que acaba de...
He needed 1 second to change the course of the game there. And now
11-man Real Madrid are equal against.
Just not enough power wanted to beat Oblak. You still feel there's a bit more to come from him. That's really good by Benzema. And then Toni Kroos, brilliant save. Isco on the follow-up. And is that the goal? Is that the key goal for Real Madrid in the semi-final, scored by Isco?
Yes, look at him fly. Moves inside Ronaldo! Cristiano Ronaldo! He's in good shape. That's typical.
De momento poco hemos visto a Benzema, que es quien recibe el balón ahora. Combina con Marcelo, ahí viene Benzema buscando la vertical del eje atacante del Real Madrid. Benzema que busca su oportunidad para el chut, Benzema, y ahí lo tenemos. Pues mira, lo reclamábamos y ahí está. Es que en cualquier momento te aparece un jugador.
La pelota Gareth Bale, cabalgando el 11 del equipo blanco. Se tira el autopase, rompe a Johnny, sigue Bale, golazo. ¡Gol!
For Benzema, able to hold off his man. It's going to fall back to the feet of Ronaldo! Is that the killer blow for Real Madrid?
Here's Bale.
Oh, another wonderful finish. Oh, this is a masterclass. And that famous front three. And the white shirt of Real Madrid have got one apiece. And Benzema.
Look up to see what's on. Cut back for Ronaldo.
Oh, what a goal. Sensational finish. And it just had to be him to release the tension. Cristiano Ronaldo.
Toni Kroos, and it's put away by Benzema. Real Madrid are back in it. 1-1. The stadium is silent, or as near to silent as it can get. And Real
Marcelo crosses towards Bale. Oh, what a goal that is! What a goal! He's only just arrived in the final, and he may just have given the final its defining moment.
Para Marcelo para Karim para Marcelo, ¡qué balón!
¡Qué golazo!
¡Golazo del Real Madrid! ¡Golazo de verdad del Real Madrid! ¡Qué combinación de tacones! Cada uno más sutil que el anterior. Y como Karim Benzema. Ahí va el golpeo, Marco Asensio. ¡Gol de Marco Asensio!
Pocky no me sorprende.
La personalidad del chaval. 21 años. 21 años se ha dicho, esta pelota es mía.
Bale gets the cross in, Benzema! What a finish from Benzema, what a magnificent strike. Karim Benzema may have his problems off the pitch, but on it,